A Microsoft Gold certified partner, VIDIZMO's streaming video platform is now available for direct purchase and deployment from Microsoft Azure Marketplace, a central location providing the customers with a one-stop shop place where they can discover, purchase and deploy all the applications and services. Within minutes, you can launch VIDIZMO's products onto your machines, using your pre-existing Microsoft Azure subscription, under a low rate for CPU, storage, encoding, and bandwidth from Microsoft. VIDIZMO offers 4 different product packages: Enterprise Tube Standard, Enterprise Tube Premium, Virtual Academy and Digital Evidence Management. Let's take a look at how you can buy VIDIZMO Virtual Machine from Azure Marketplace. The first method to reach to the VIDIZMO's virtual machine, available in Azure Marketplace, is by logging into your Azure account and search for VIDIZMO. All available VIDIZMO product packages will be displayed. You can select the required product package and start virtual machine deployment. The second method to reach to the VIDIZMO's virtual machine is by clicking on Create a Resource in your Azure portal and searching for VIDIZMO. You can then select the required product package. Once you are done selecting the required product package, click on Create and you will be redirected to the configuration screen. From the Basics tab, you select or create the resource group in VIDIZMO in the Resource Group field. Select the region for the virtual machine deployment. You are required to fill the virtual machine's details such as administrator username, administrator password and confirm password. This configuration will help you log into your VIDIZMO virtual machine to manage it. Once you're done, click on Next to continue. In the VIDIZMO Infrastructure Settings tab, click on the drop-down menu for Virtual Network Configurations and fill it as per your requirements, or click on Create New to create a virtual network. Click OK to proceed. In the drop-down menu, you need to enter your subnet name and subnet name address prefix. The public IP address field will help communicate VIDIZMO virtual machine from outside the virtual network. Click on Create New to add public IP address. A new screen will open. You need to enter the name of public IP address and select SKU type and IP assignment. Click OK to proceed. The DNS label is the label for VIDIZMO server's public IP address, which hosts the VIDIZMO application. It will act as the URL of your VIDIZMO portal. The application virtual machine name is used as the Azure's application resource. Select a virtual machine name and the size to support the workload that you want to run. The standard configurations are preset, but these configurations can be updated, as per your requirements, by clicking on Change Size. From Application VM Data Disk Type, you can select the data disk type of the virtual machine, and from the drop-down menu for Application VM Data Disk Size, select the data disk size you require. Enter your preferred database virtual machine name. This will be the name of the database of the VIDIZMO virtual machine created in SQL Server. Once you are done, select the database virtual machine size to support the workload that you want to run from the database virtual machine size, and select the data disk type of the virtual machine from database VM data disk type. Similarly, select the virtual machine data disk size from the drop-down menu in database VM data disk size. Enter the SQL authentication login from SQL authentication username that you will use to connect to SQL Server. The system administrator role will be assigned to this login. Enter the password associated with the SQL authentication login in SQL authentication password and then confirm the password that you created. Once you're done, click Next to proceed. In the User Information tab, you need to provide your personal and company details. Fill in your email address, your first and last name, your organization name, organization website URL and your phone number. Once you're done, provide the source of information in Where Did You Hear About Us tab. Once you're done, click Next to proceed. In the Review plus Create tab, you need to read the terms of use and VIDIZMO's privacy policy. Once you're done reading the terms, you can look at all the information you have provided. If you think any information is incorrect, you can go back and update it. If the information is correct, click on Create icon. You can see the virtual machine deployment progress through the notifications tray. And voila! Your VIDIZMO virtual machine deployment is successful. You can now enjoy free 60-day fully functional trial license. Once the trial period ends, you can purchase a full production license by contacting VIDIZMO sales team. You will receive an email from VIDIZMO after the deployment consisting your email, password, application URL and getting started links. Well, now you can log into your portal by clicking on the application URL and entering your login credentials. Once you are logged in, you can add your own styling to various aspects of the application's design through custom CSS in the portal settings. This overrides the default interface settings of the portal. You can also choose the language you wish to set for the portal. By the way, VIDIZMO also offers multiple languages functionality on the platform. You can also upload your company's logo, set your corporate colors, and upload a background image that represents your organization's brand identity. You must be wondering how the content can be uploaded and accessed by users. Well, you can add users to your portal and assign them permissions that determine their access to the content in your portal. Simply click on the hamburger icon and select Users and Groups. Using the Add User tab, you can add new users by entering their email, assigning them a role, and adding an optional message to send an invite to join portal. For more details, check out our guide on adding and managing users. Once you are done adding the users can add media to the portal. You can upload videos, images, audio, and documents in the portal's library by clicking on the plus-shaped icon and selecting Upload Media option. You can select a file to upload and assign it a title, tags and category to refine the search for your users. You can choose the audience for which your media will be available, or you can share your media with selected users and groups. You can also assign custom attributes to your media that will be utilized in search results to enhance search experience and metadata information for end users. Once your media has been uploaded, it will be available for users and users can search it in video library through VIDIZMO's multifaceted search. For detailed insight on publishing media, check out our guide on publishing media. Taking a step forward, let's look at how you can schedule a live stream. Like publishing media, you can schedule a live stream by clicking on plus-shaped icon and selecting Schedule Live Webcast. You can select your audience for live stream. Once you're done, select the pre-configured publishing point and enable interactivity to make your live stream interactive. You can also add the FAQs and event agenda to answer any questions your audience might have before or during the session. By the way, live stream can be controlled and monitored through the live control room and can be recorded and later published as video on demand. VIDIZMO also offers an interactive pane during the live session that allows you to add interactive media such as handouts to provide supporting material, quizzes to conduct knowledge checks and surveys to collect feedback from the audience at any point during the live stream. Well, that's all for this video. For more information on VIDIZMO, visit our website www.vidizmo.com. Stay tuned until next time.